Something just happened with Claude, and if you're using AI for your business right now, you need to pay attention to this one. Claude just got a massive upgrade to how it talks to you, and I mean that literally its voice mode just got smarter than it's ever been. This isn't some small update buried in a changelog nobody reads. This changes how you can actually run your day, how you plan your content, and how you stay on top of your business without ever opening your laptop. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why this matters for you, whether you're building content, running a business, or just trying to save time every single day. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so here's what actually happened. Before this update, when you talk to Claude out loud, it was running on Haiku. Now, Haiku is fast, I'll give it that, but it's not the smart one. It's like calling customer support and getting the intern instead of the manager. It could answer you quickly, but it wasn't really thinking things through. Now, that's changed. Claude's voice mode can run on Sonnet and Opus, and those are the strong models, the ones that actually think, plan, and reason before they answer you. So now when you talk to Claude, it's not just replying fast, it's replying smart, and honestly, that's a completely different experience once you actually try it for yourself. You start asking it bigger questions because you know it can actually handle them. Here's the part that I think people are going to sleep on. Voice mode now picks up whatever model you were already using in text chat. So say you were typing away, using a strong model, working through something important, and then you switch to talking instead. Claude just keeps going with the same model. Nothing resets. Nothing gets dumbed down the second you open your mouth instead of your keyboard. And on top of that, you can literally switch models in the middle of a conversation using a model picker. You can jump from typing to talking and back again whenever you want, and the whole conversation carries over like nothing happened. I mean, think about how smooth that actually is. You're not starting from scratch every time you switch how you're talking to it. And that's not a gimmick. That's genuinely useful in real life. Now, here's where it gets kind of crazy. Claude Voice Mode can now work with the apps you've already got connected, things like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Slack, as long as you give it permission. So instead of opening 5 different tabs and 5 different apps just to check your day, you just talk. You ask, Claude checks, Claude answers, you never even touch your keyboard. Picture this. You wake up, you're getting ready, and you just say, Claude, what's on my calendar today? It tells you, you say, any important emails I'm missing. It checks and tells you, you say, move my 2 o'clock to tomorrow. Done. That entire exchange just happened and you didn't open a single app. You didn't even sit down. And look, that's the part people are going to underestimate right now and then use every single day once they actually try it once for themselves. So why does this actually matter for you if you're running a business or making content? Because your day isn't just about having good ideas anymore, it's about moving fast and staying on top of everything at the same time. A smarter voice assistant means you can talk through your content ideas, plan your week, and check what's actually urgent, all without typing a single word. Think about what that actually looks like. You grab a coffee, you say, Claude, what's in my inbox today? It reads it back to you. You say, draft a reply to that email. Done. You say, now write me a content plan for this week. Done. No laptop open, no typing, just you talking the same way you talk to a real assistant sitting right next to you at your desk. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And here's something worth sitting with for a second. A lot of people still think of AI as this little box on the screen that you type into. This update quietly breaks that whole idea. Voice isn't the fun extra feature anymore. It's becoming a real way to actually get work done. So the real question isn't should you try voice mode? The question is, what are you still typing right now that you could just be saying instead? And once you start asking yourself that, you'll realize how much of your day was just you sitting at a keyboard for no reason. Now, I'll be straight with you. A faster, smarter voice assistant connected to your real inbox, your real calendar, your real business, that's powerful. But it also means you're trusting it with real things. So don't hand it your whole business on day one. Start small, test it on one task, then move to the next one. Build trust with it the same way you'd build trust with a new hire. You wouldn't hand a brand new employee the keys to everything on their first day, and you shouldn't do that here either. That's the smart way to actually roll this out, whether that's inside your business or inside a community you're running. This is rolling out right now in beta, so if you don't see it on your app yet, don't panic. These things roll out in waves, not all at once, so just keep an eye out and it'll show up for you soon enough. Look, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Tools like this are only going to keep getting better, and the people who actually use them early are the ones who end up way ahead of everyone else. Still doing things the slow way. Voice mode with real thinking behind it and real access to your actual apps. That's not a small thing. That's your entire workflow changing right in front of you, one conversation at a time. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.